shakalaka, last call for Bitcoin. Stay tuned. What's up, everyone? Randall here from Crypto Love. Last call for Bitcoin. Watch out for these key Bitcoin price levels. Before we get into it, guys, like the video, join us on Twitter at Crypto Love, subscribe to the OG Crypto Bitcoin YouTube channel, making daily videos for over 7 years. Now, today, fear and greed at 54 sideways from yesterday, up from last week and last month. The overall market actually down a touch today. Bitcoin at 63,103, Ethereum at 2549, and BNB at 584. Now, Bitcoin meeting some serious resistance in this area I have circled right here. There's many places for potential resistance. First off, we have the 200-day moving average resistance. Next, we have this volume profile resistance. Next, we have this previous top from back in August resistance. And then also we have this bull flag downtrend resistance. So by my count, that's 4 lines of resistance for Bitcoin. Could we break through? Maybe. Maybe not. It's only time will tell. Maybe if things actually would be good, price would come back down. We would bounce back off of what was resistance there and then come back up and blow through. But only time will tell. The one good thing I can say is that this cross right here, the 21 EMA crossing back above the baby maker moving average, the 9-month moving average, the last time that happened, there was this green bar pattern right here that puts price at $180,000 by November of 2025. So that being said, based on the 2 cycles that we've been talking about pretty much every day since this was posted back in July 31st, September 24th, 3 more days, that would be blast off for Bitcoin. Now, clearly there's a standard deviation one way or another. Could have come early, could come late, but roughly within the next few days, we should see a big move up for Bitcoin. That is, if we can break through that 200-day moving average. If we take a look at the 200-day SMA, this is a critical level for confirming the bull run. Historically, failures to reclaim this support, as seen in 2020, 2018, and 2014, have led to significant corrections. Watch closely. Rejection could signal trouble for Bitcoin. So, definitely a level you want to keep your eye on. We do have potential signal of a market bottom right here. The true network hash rate drawdown, minor capitulation reaching similar levels to the absolute market bottom back in the end of 2022 when Bitcoin price was $16,000. So this is suggesting that maybe we did just bottom out here in terms of miners, and now price can go back up. We also had this past week the Fed cutting interest rates. The last time they started cutting interest rates, Bitcoin price went parabolic. This time, probably the same thing. The next 6 to 12 months should be pretty epic. Also, global M2 money making a run for it, and every time M2 money or global liquidity increases, you know what else increases? Bitcoin price every single freaking time. So if they're going to print more money, guess where it's going to flow? Into Bitcoin. Institutions right now no longer aggressively shorting Bitcoin. CME futures net positions have declined by 75% over the past 5 months. So with less institutions shorting, there's probably the chance that it's not going to go down as much. You can bet on them shorting and making money as the price was going down recently. We also have a big event coming up in November. Should be a lot of fun. In 47 days, we have the US election. Historically, no matter the outcome, Bitcoin's price is going exponential. You can see, boom, boom, boom. After every single election, Bitcoin price takes off. So this one might be no different for Bitcoin. And DXY breaking down. Why is this good news for Bitcoin? DXY moves in the opposite direction of Bitcoin. So as DXY goes down, Bitcoin price likely goes up. All of those things suggesting that while things may take a little bit of a dive, things are looking pretty good for Bitcoin right now. We are seeing some resistance at the first price target here based on the Ichimoku cloud. So a golden cross of the Tenkan and Kijun. The next target's 64, which was resistance. And then the target after that, roughly $69,000. Way to go, Bitcoin. Let's hit 69 again, right? Also, 3-day RSI breakout for Bitcoin last time this happened, as a matter of fact, last 3 times this happened, we did have a run up in the price over the past couple of years. So could we see that run up once again? Let's hope so. Based on the Bitcoin power law, the projection for the next couple of years, by November 2025, $200,000. Frankly, quite similar to the bar pattern projection, 180,000 by November 2025. This one is 200,000 by November 2025. Maybe that's where Bitcoin's going in the next year or so. And then by 2029, 500,000. And then by 2034, $3. It's going to top out right there. I don't know. Who knows what Bitcoin's going to do? It's all a mystery, except for it being the hardest money ever. Now, altcoins, on the other hand, take a look here. We have a cross of the WMA 100 and the EMA 100. The last time this happened, this was basically the launch point for altcoins. We have it happening once again. Also, we have a descending channel right here, finding support right there. Potentially alt season coming up soon as well. But that's all for this episode. If you enjoyed it, like the video, join us on Twitter with the Crypto Love, subscribe to the channel, and watch that video. I'll catch you later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.
From now on, if you don't own Bitcoin, you're a moron.